What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Happy Easter or happy Sunday if you don't celebrate Easter. Whatever you do, you be you. I'm back out on the lawn right now. It's going off. Holy crap. I still haven't fed it. I gotta do that. Probably in the next couple days it's gonna get really super cold. But that's not why I'm here right now. I want you to join me tomorrow morning. We're back on the early morning thing. Sorry guys, gotta do it. 7:50 a.m. Eastern time. Join me for a live feed first. We'll do that like we've done the last couple of days, weeks. I don't know. Everything kind of runs together. It's like ultimate Groundhog Day right now. See? I just blanked out. Totally. Everything just went away there for a second. 7:50 a.m. Eastern time for the live feed. Then we're going to premiere the new video, All About Kelp. You guys can ask questions in the live chat on the side of that, but prior to the video, throw any questions at me that you want. We'll get up, have coffee like we do in the dark. That sounds a little weird and creepy, but it is what it is. And as always, Tiny Yeti sightings. You know, I think some people are starting to get a hang of this game. Ron Hunter won the last time. We've now done three. 3 people have won that. It's fun to do. So Tiny Yeti shows up in every one of these premieres. Tiny Yeti, if you guys are unfamiliar with this, is a small Yeti tumbler that I drink out of and travel with, and I've had for many, many years, and it's gone all over the world, and it has an Instagram page called Tiny Yeti Travels, and it's just all about that. So, gotta spot Tiny Yeti. First one to comment in the comment section, not in the live chat. Comment section when they see it, wins a Lawn-Cology hat. At first I was just going to send random hats because I wasn't very specific about that at the point, like a Hello Kitty or something. I thought that would be kind of funny, but I don't know if anybody would really appreciate that level of my humor. So that's how it works. So here's the order. Let me run through it one more time. 7:50 a.m. Eastern, live. That's the pre-live video where you guys can just ask and chat and we just kind of hang out for a second. The live video starts at 8 a.m. Eastern time, 4:13. Okay, because today's 4/12. Again, Groundhog Day. Hard to know what's what. And be the first to spot Tiny Yeti and comment. First one that comes through, that's the winner every time. So anyway, that's all I got. I'll see you guys early in the morning. Later.